How to take stunning photos with iPhone's advanced camera features. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your iPhone like a professional photographer. So first of all, what you have to do is open your settings app and then search for camera. Today I'm going to teach you how to put the right settings on your camera. First go to formats and then click on high efficiency. And then toggle on Apple ProRAW. This will give you the feature to crop your photos without losing its original quality. Then what you can do is click on record video and set it to 4K at 30 FPS. This will help you record a video in high quality. And then you can toggle off the HDR because usually HDR videos are very difficult to edit and will process slow. Now, next important feature is preserve settings. This menu gives you more control over your camera because when you close a camera app, all your settings reset by default. But this feature, you can preserve your settings. For example, if you turn on creative controls, this preserves the last use filter, aspect ratio, light settings, and so on. And then you can also turn on night mode, and then night mode would always be turned on when needed. And you can also toggle on exposure adjustment. So if you set your phone on a certain exposure, then it will remain that forever until you change it. Now you can also click photo like a professional photographer. Thanks for watching.